Hello everyone, my name is Pune. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very new to YouTube, so your support is extremely appreciated. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I would really appreciate your feedback. If this is useful, if you're learning, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email or make a comment. I'll try my best to answer all the questions. So, in my very first video, I explained to you how to prepare your canvas if you want to do a Dutch pour or any acrylic pouring. So you tape the back of the canvas and also the push pins, and then you make sure that the canvas is level with this. I'm just gonna double check that it's leveled. Yes, level is super important, because if the canvas is not level, once you're finished painting and then you let it leave it to dry, it's just gonna slide off. So it's very important to have the canvas level. Okay, and also how to mix your paints. I use 2-part Floetrol, 1-part paint. And depending on the consistency of the paint, if it's thick like tube paint or if it's like craft paint, I add some water to it to get to a certain consistency for the Dutch pour. Today I am going to try something new, to mix 2 different methods. So we're just gonna see together if it works or not. I am going to do some Dutch pour for the background of the painting, and then I'm gonna let it dry and then do some silver on it, like this. These silver sheets. So I just wanted to work on top of the Dutch pour once it's dried, and then create some dimension. Yeah, so let's see how that would work. My canvas is a gallery wrapped Artist Loft canvas, and it's 24-inch times 30-inch if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below, so check that out. And yes, let's get to it. I'm excited to see how it turns out. See you in a minute.